Instagram launches a new TV app bringing Reels into larger screens. OpenAI announces the release of a new upgraded image generation experience inside ChatGPT. A new software update comes to Meta AI glasses with Spotify integration. Along with these three, there are two more important news items about YouTube and Gemini AI coming up in this week's edition of the Connected Church News, which is specially packaged for busy leaders of churches, nonprofits, and ministries. I'm Natchi Lazarus. Welcome, and this is the show that brings you the top 5 AI and social media news that you need to know for this week in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. Instagram is bringing Reels to the bigger screen with the release of their television app. The app is called Instagram for TV, and it will initially be available in the US built into Amazon Fire TV devices. To get started, you will have to install the app from the Fire TV device and sign in with either your phone or directly on the screen. Once you sign in, you will be able to add 5 Instagram accounts of you, your family members, and you will be able to watch Reels. As of now, they only have Reels, which are grouped into channels. Instagram says the content standards applied are going to be suitable for a broad audience, PG-13 rating system. And if you have teens, whatever restrictions they have on their mobile Instagram as teen account will be carried forward to the television as well. Because of the success YouTube has seen on television, their ad revenues have also gone up. Ad costs on television is much higher than ad cost on mobile devices. So now all the other social media channels want a share of the ad pie. ChatGPT now has a new upgraded image generation engine inside the app. Now when you log into ChatGPT, if you go to the left side tab, you will see a new menu called Images, which is the response of OpenAI to the growing popularity of Google's Nano Banana Pro. This has multiple features, including powerful editing feature that could add, subtract, combine, blend, and transpose your images in different format. Apart from that, one of the big things I'm hearing from multiple reviewers is its ability to follow instructions. Because you all know how frustrating it is when you give an instruction to ChatGPT about an image and it never seems to get it. Now it follows instructions much better than what it used to. As part of the announcement, OpenAI has these endorsements from companies like Canva and Wix and Higgsfield, where the product heads are talking about how good this model is. Image generation is a big part of our media ministry work, so share this information with your media team. YouTube seems to be quietly testing the ability for you to add image carousels inside the Shorts feed. The announcement says we are experimenting with showing image posts in the Shorts feed. And it also says that you can include up to 10 images in your post, making it a great way to tell a story. If you've used the post facility inside your YouTube channel, then that is the exact same experience. Nothing has changed. So you go click on your channel's create button, add up to 10 images, but keep in mind that these images might start showing up when people are watching shorts. So design your images accordingly. I'm excited about this announcement for churches and ministries because image carousels are easier to create. Second, they also convey certain type of information better. For example, instructions about an event or step-by-step instructions of a tutorial or something like that. Share this information with your content creation team. Meta announced a software upgrade that improves the audio quality and integrates Spotify into Meta AI glasses. I like this development that deals with the noise factor because when you are trying to use AI on a regular basis and you are out and about with something like a smart glass, dealing with that will help you get meaningful interaction with your AI, which is the core purpose of you getting a device like this. Regarding the Spotify integration, the way it will work is, let's say you're traveling, you're in a particular environment like a stadium or inside a building, you can tell Meta, select the music based on what I see. And based on your environment, it will suggest music for you. So does that mean if I'm inside a church service, it will automatically select a worship music? If so, which artist will it choose? What language of music will it choose? If you already have a Meta AI glass, get it upgraded to the new version, go into your church, test it, and let me know what happens. Google elevates the whole translation experience by bringing Gemini into it. Google Translate will now have the powerful translation capabilities of Gemini, along with new languages and a live speech-to-speech translation capability. This live translation is what I am most excited about. If you wear a headphone and if you have your phone, all you need is a Google Translate app. And if anyone's speaking to you in another language, you can just wear your headphones and Google Translate will translate that speech live into your headphone. And the lag, which was the biggest problem till now, is starting to come down. With multiple language capability, this could well be the solution to churches that are looking for a live translation solution. All you need to tell the congregation is to go into their Google Translate app, wear a headphone, and they can listen to you in any language they want. Think about that. The language barrier for us to communicate the good news with people is starting to come down, which is awesome. Before I get into the regular closing, I want to take a minute on behalf of my production crew here, my team, my family. I want to take the time to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We are just about to take a couple of weeks break from the news item, and we'll see you again in a few days in 2026. Yes, we are almost there into the new year, and we all want to wish you and your family a Merry Christmas and a wonderful, blessed, prosperous, and productive new year, where you will see everything that God has placed in your heart come to fruition, and God will be with you and fulfill all the desires of your heart. Have a wonderful holiday season. God bless you. If you have any questions or need any information, then DM me at Natchi Lazarus, or simply leave a comment wherever you're listening to me. Stay connected and stay blessed. God bless you. Bye-bye.